Hi friends, our next live session would be conducted tomorrow, which is the Sunday from 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. And the exact date is 26th of April, just to avoid any confusion. And this public live session is accessible to everyone via YouTube, and you can share it with all your friends who might be interested in the topic of discussion. So in the public live sessions and the private live sessions that we conducted in the last month, we have had one question which was asked very frequently, which is, how do I survive this pandemic from a professional viewpoint? From a personal viewpoint, from healthcare viewpoint, the government, the health department, the state, local, and the central governments have given great suggestions on how to keep yourself safe. But another very important question that people have on their mind is, how do you survive? And most importantly, how do you excel professionally during the pandemic and the consequences after the pandemic? Right? This is a very important topic. So we thought, instead of answering it in 5 minutes or 10 minutes in another live session, it is good to cater a whole 60 minutes just for this discussion, where we will start with some high-level overview of how to tackle it and how to excel, most importantly, during the pandemic and its consequences. Also, we'll open up the floor for general Q&A. We'll try to answer as many questions as possible that we see on the chat window on YouTube. Having said this, just to give you some context, some of our teammates, some of our mentors and guides have survived recessions in the past. For example, I personally graduated during the last recession, at the peak of last recession, right? And we have some personal experiences that we can share on how to survive, and most importantly, how to excel professionally during a recession or even a slowdown, basically. So the economic impact of the pandemic now is a slowdown, right? And most people predict that there might be a recession just looming beyond the horizon as soon as all the lockdowns are lifted. So we don't know that yet. So how do we prepare for it? That's very important to understand. And we'll also pick up examples, case studies, and most importantly, we have read all the major recessions and depressions in the last century. We have been reading up extensively and creating the material for tomorrow's session, right? So we'll see how almost 3 generations of people have survived multiple economic slowdowns, and we'll take the lessons from those and we'll try to cover that in about 30-35 minutes, where we'll detail everything. Once we cover all these topics, all the questions that students have, we'll try to answer as many as possible, right? Again, it is very important for us to look back at the history of the last century. Last century has seen crazy world wars. It has seen a major depression and small economic recessions. So there are great lessons from history that we will borrow from, both our personal experiences and experiences of great phenomenal humans and phenomenal people who have survived major wars, major economic catastrophes. Again, there are great lessons to be learned. We thought it will be good for us to share it with everyone so that you have a much more historical perspective on the situation and you can prepare better for the days, months, and years ahead. So see you tomorrow at 6 p.m. and let's have a constructive discussion.